Welcome back to LaShaw Ranch Roasters out in Rockford, Washington, with Silver Wings racing pigeons. We're getting ready to release a good number of birds today. And they're off. Like we mentioned last time, releasing more pigeons should actually make them easier to track and follow. No worries about losing them this time. They got a little close there, but I gently throttled just enough to avoid giving them little heart attacks. If you're having trouble spotting them, I'm keeping them in frame near the top of the screen. Yep, they're definitely heading in the right direction. Right off the bat, flying straight toward home. All right, they'll really get moving here soon. I think they're pushing 60 or 70 miles an hour. I'm having trouble keeping up. Gonna need to start throttling it here pretty soon. There we go, starting to catch up a bit. Actually, not quite. They're still pulling away pretty fast. It was a bit cloudy, and we were worried about rain down south, but fortunately we lucked out, and were able to follow the birds until complete signal loss. Well, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. We're about to lose signal. When that happens, the drone just stops and hovers. I believe we were able to follow the birds for about 2 miles. Not bad at all. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share.